welcome back to my channel. I have a very special guest, my dad. He's gonna be helping us make some shrimp tacos.
Okay guys, so your main ingredient in the shrimp tacos is obviously your shrimp. We went ahead and cleaned it, cut it up, took the entails off, and then my dad started cooking with some garlic powder, onion, chili peppers, cajun, seasoning, and we just cooked it in a little bit of olive oil.
Lo que vamos a usar: la piña, mango,
Okay.
cebolla,
Okay.
jalapeño, cilantro.
And we're just using half an onion. I might cry. Ah! I'm gonna cry. Okay, so we have our bowl and we're just adding all the ingredients.
Sí.
He's just gonna cut the mango. Fine little slices. And you just want to mix your mango, jalapeno, onion, cilantro, and pineapple together. Shrimp is cooking while we make our sauces. Look at that yumminess. Fun fact, I am barely liking seafood. I was definitely not the kind to like seafood, but here I am comiendo camarones.
Limoncito, no puede faltar. Una salsita inglesa. Whole ready sauce.
Okay.
Esto le tienes que echar un poquito para que no se te...
Okay, just a little bit.
¿Sí? Un poquito de...
Red wine vinegar, vinagre de vino rojo. Okay, salt.
¿Ya?
What you should have once everything is mixed in together. Ooh, it looks so good. You're also gonna want to do a chipotle mayo sauce, but we're gonna improvise. We're not gonna do it out of scratch. We're just gonna use the chipotle sauce can that already comes kind of prepared.
You guys, there's really no secret here. Just add your mayo, your chipotle, mix it up to your liking, and that's it.
I also forgot to mention that you will need some cabbage, but we went ahead and cut it already, so we're not gonna show you guys how we cut it. All right, you can also add some wok to your tacos. Guys, this is so easy, literally so easy. So you grab your tacos. I don't know why he's using one glove, you guys. ¿De qué más? Col, repollo, chipotle mayo. I like mine con mucho.
No, está bien así.
Okay.
Si quiere más, ya es al gusto.
Eggy, you want to try? Alright, now he's adding guacamole.
Mira.
Hi, Mama! So that's what you should have. We did add guacamole to them, a little tapatio, but that's basically it. Super easy, super simple, and very yummy. We have our tacos.
Are you live doing it?
I'm recording. Huh?
He thinks you're live.
No, no estamos live. Luego lo voy a editar, Dad.
Ah,
No.
Pedidos, domicilio.